Welcome to Vizkits. If you're here, you've either attended our Get Accredited Ready training or you've just got a specific interest in Tableau. The training covers all you need to know to pass the Desktop Specialist and Data Analyst exams. Stick around at the end of the exercise solution for more information. By the end of the 18 exercise solutions, you'll end up with 4 interactive dashboards just like these. This solution video covers the following material from the training: an introduction to calculated fields, the calculated field editor, the function library, string calculations, date calculations, and logical statements. Okay, so we're on page 17 of the exercise manual now. We should be in our My Get Accredited workbook that we've been working through. I'm going to go to the Orders Worksheet tab, and from the category section of the data pane, we're going to drag that category name onto the rows shelf to the right of the order ID pill. From the subcategory section, which is down the bottom here, we're going to bring our subcategory name onto the rows shelf to the right of the category name pill. Now we're going to create some calculated fields. So click in the top section of the data pane and choose the Create Calculated Field option. We're going to call this employee full name. What we've got in the employees table, we've got a first name and we've got a last name, and we just want to combine those two dimensions together to give us a new dimension of employee full name. I like to drag and drop from over here when I've got multiple tables and relationships. So I'm just going to drag first name, and we want to add a space, and then we want to add the last name. So we've got our first name plus, and then a space plus the last name. But click on OK. You can see that we've now got this brand new employee full name dimension, and it exists in the employees table. And we've got the first name on our row shelf, so I'm just going to drag employee full name across on top of first name to replace it, and you can see that we've got the employee full name there now. We also want to amend the cross tab in the orders worksheet to show the sales value, stock price and profit values. But they don't actually exist in the data, but we can use the data that we do have to create these fields using calculated fields. Go to the top of the data pane, create a calculated field, and we're going to call this sales. And our sales value, if we go down to the order details table, it's going to be the quantity times the unit price. So it's quite a simple calculation. So again, we can just drag quantity across, times, and then the unit price. Click on OK, and you can see because both of those fields have come from the order details table, that's where our new measure is going to sit. We're going to choose the down arrow again and create another calculated field. And this one we're going to call stock price. So stock price is going to be the quantity that we've sold by the cost of the product. So the cost price of our product. So we're taking two fields from two different tables now. So from the order details table, I'm going to bring the quantity through, and we're going to times that by the cost price in the products table. Click on OK. Because we've taken two fields from two different tables, stock price sits at the bottom of the data pane. It doesn't belong to any individual table. And finally, we're going to create a profit calculated field. So we're going to call this one profit. So from the orders detail table section, we're going to bring our sales value across. And then we want to take off the stock price. So remember, the stock price sits at the bottom. And I'm going to drag that across. So sales minus stock price is profit. And again, our new profit calculation sits down here because there's two fields from two different sections of the data pane. We're going to change the number format of those fields. So firstly, let's scroll up to our sales value, and we're going to right click, and we're going to change the default property number format, and we're going to make that a currency custom. Just click on OK, and then we're going to choose both the profit, and if you hold the control key down and choose stock price and then right click, default properties, number format, and we're going to change both of those to a currency custom as well. Now we need to add those fields to our cross tab. So we're going to drag them all into the measure value section of the marks card. So let's start off with sales, which is sitting in our order details table, and then scroll to the bottom, and we're going to bring in stock price, and then we're going to bring in profit. And you can see that those have got the number formats that we've just set up. Now I'm going to create a new dimension using a calculated field, and it's going to give us a profit status. Click the downward arrow in the top right hand corner of the data pane, choose create calculated field, and we're going to call this profit status. We're going to write the statement: if profit is less than 100, then we're going to call that low. Else if profit is greater than or equal to 100 and profit is less than 500, then we're going to call that medium. Else if profit is greater than or equal to 500 and profit is less than 1,000, then that's going to be good. Anything over that is going to be large. And then we need to just end that statement and click on OK. That sits down at the bottom of the data pane now. I'm going to drag that new dimension to the right of product name, and you can see that we've got our profit statuses now, and we're going to change that fit to fit width. Make sure you save your workbook. I'll see you on the next video. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, follow and subscribe, as I'll be posting a lot more content than just the exercise solutions. And if you're interested in attending the training, then visit our website vizkits.co.uk. There's a course every week, and for only £99 you get a one-day online course that will cover all of the material that you need to know to pass the Tableau Certified Desktop Specialist and Tableau Certified Data Analyst exams. All delegates are given a 100+ page exercise manual containing 18 detailed exercises to complete offline. The exercises will test what you have learned and give the trainer an idea of how well you've learned the material. All exercise solutions are available as videos on YouTube, so if you get stuck, there's help available online. You'll need to submit the completed exercise workbook to the trainer for evaluation about a week after the course. The trainer will then schedule a 1-hour online face-to-face meeting to discuss your strengths and weaknesses and advise you if you're exam ready and what you need to work on. If you just want the exercise solution manual, then that's available as well for £19.99. See you all on the next video.